How to avoid plagiarism in your writing? Paraphrase. But do you really know how to paraphrase effectively, or you just use the synonyms? This video contains some useful tools on how to paraphrase any information successfully. Avoid plagiarism and overuse of quotations.
Hey guys, this is Archie from Essay Digital. Have you ever wondered how top students paraphrase? Do they rely solely on their own knowledge, or do they use AI tools like Quillbot? Let's find out together. By the end of this video, we will share a unique paraphrasing method that is guaranteed to make you one of the top students. To begin with, Quillbot is an innovative AI-powered paraphrasing tool. According to the developers, this program can rephrase any text in a variety of ways and enhance your writing. I decided to check the reviews of Quillbot and found that its rating is quite controversial. It seems that while some people are impressed with Quillbot, others criticize its ability to paraphrase. For example, Andre Lopez from Great Britain writes that Quillbot is fantastic software that can make your writing flawless. However, Ollie from New Zealand is completely unsatisfied with this service. Therefore, let's try to find out which side of the argument is correct. We will answer the following questions. How do you use Quillbot? Does it paraphrase without errors? Does it provide unique texts? Will Turnitin detect Quillbot? How do you use Quillbot? Go to the Quillbot website and create an account if you don't already have one. You can also use Quillbot as a guest, but creating an account will give you access to more features. Once you're logged in, you'll see a text box where you can enter the text you want to paraphrase or rephrase. Select the level of paraphrasing you want from the drop-down menu. You can choose from options like Standard, Fluent, and Creative. Click on the Paraphrase button and wait for Quillbot to process your text. Once the paraphrasing is complete, you'll see the revised text on the right-hand side of the screen. Does it paraphrase without errors? Let's insert a short essay and check it. Now we can see the paraphrased text on the right-hand side. At first glance, the text appears to be quite different from the original. For example, the first sentence has been restructured and a few synonyms have been added. However, the phrase "have a significant influence" is a bit wordy, and it would be better to use "significantly influence" instead. Additionally, the phrase "on the other side" is not the best option here. While "on the other side" is a common phrase, it is often used to refer to a literal location or position, such as the house on the other side of the street. In contrast, "on the other hand" is typically used to introduce an alternative or contrasting point. In this case, you could use "conversely" instead, which is another effective way to introduce an opposing point. The phrase "have given people the chance to develop their own creativity" is also a bit wordy. It could be revised to say "have allowed people to develop their creativity." Overall, Quillbot's paraphrasing is based on changing sentence structure and using synonyms. However, the quality of the rewritten text is quite average and may require further proofreading by a human to ensure accuracy and clarity. Soon, we will give you more precise tips on how to paraphrase yourself and become a top student. Does Quillbot provide unique texts? This is quite easy to check. Quillbot features its own plagiarism detection tool, although it's solely available in the premium version. Alternatively, we can use a plagiarism checker named Quetext. Let's copy the paraphrased text and paste it into Quetext to analyze it. Oh, it appears that there is a 9% similarity detected. When examining this sentence, we only notice a minor overlap. Therefore, is it accurate to say that Quillbot can successfully bypass plagiarism checkers? Let's confirm whether this text is flagged as AI generated. Oh, guys, have you watched our video about the battle between ChatGPT and the human mind? Can ChatGPT truly pass tests effectively? I highly recommend you checking out this video. It's sure to surprise you. Let's utilize GPTZero to assess Quillbot. However, first, we'll examine our original text. As you can see, our essay was entirely composed by a human. Now, let's evaluate the paraphrased section. Oops! As you've noticed, GPTZero has detected that the text generated by Quillbot is produced by standard algorithms used in artificial intelligence tools. As a result, it may be easily identified by your professor. Now, let's discuss Turnitin. Below this video, you'll find helpful links to our AI Explorer and other sources containing free guidelines, reviews of educational tools, and study samples. Be sure to check them out and don't miss your chance to be among the first to discover all the innovative tools for achieving academic success. Will Turnitin detect Quillbot? Turnitin's algorithms don't really detect paraphrasing. Instead, they find similar grammatical patterns, phrases, and sentence structures. However, in 2023, Turnitin officially announced the release of AI detection software. Now, Turnitin has the technology to detect AI-assisted writing. As you saw earlier, Quillbot's text meets the patterns of AI-generated text, which can be identified by GPTZero. Therefore, Quillbot's text will be detected by Turnitin as plagiarized. As a result, we do not encourage the use of Quillbot for your papers. We recommend developing your own writing abilities and using tools like Quillbot as a supplement rather than a substitute for your own efforts. Feeling even more confused about paraphrasing? Don't worry. Our expert Eleonora will share a truly unique paraphrasing formula used by top students.
To begin with, paraphrasing is an important communication technique, especially in research papers, to avoid copying an original source verbatim. Yes, paraphrase means to rewrite the idea into your own words. Sometimes this task is quite challenging, so use the following formula plus 5 tricks. Students can make many mistakes while paraphrasing a scientific article or other source. Be aware of this. These mistakes can ruin your academic reputation. So first one, changing only some of the words. This is a common mistake. Paraphrasing means much more than using synonyms for every word in the origin. And the second, changing words but keeping the same sentence structure and order of the representation. So how to paraphrase effectively? Use a 4R formula. Reward. Can you replace any words with a synonym? You can use this website to find the synonyms. Rearrange. Can you move some words or phrases around? Realize. Some information such as names, dates, titles could not be changed. And recheck. Did you include the important information? Does your sentence make sense? Grab these tricks to paraphrase any text. Use synonyms. Change from active to passive. Change from positive to negative. Change the order of information. And change the parts of speech. So guys, what do you think about these paraphrasing techniques? Or maybe you have your own tricks? Share your opinion in comments, please. Subscribe to our channel so as not to miss our new videos. And do not forget about the likes.